The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to take a list of numbers called numbers, and we're going to sum it up so we can get a total value from that list. As always, a link to this file is provided below in the description. You can follow along, or if you'd like, pause this video, test it on your own, and then check your answer. All right, so let's get started how we're going to do this. Now we've got this list of numbers, and looping through is going to be real easy. I'm going to create a new variable called sum. This is going to hold my running total of what I've got. And then all I need to do is loop through it. Well, Python has a great command for doing this. It's the for loop. The for loop is specifically designed to go over something that is iterable, like a list, something we can look at each element one at a time. So I have for, and then I have to give it a variable like num in numbers. Then I'm simply going to say sum plus equals num. So what are we doing? We're adding to the value of sum that individual element that we had inside of numbers. And as long as it's an integer, we're totally good with this. That's all it takes to sum it up. Now, we do need to still print this out, so we're going to give a print command. Print the sum of the list is, and we'll just say sum. That's all we have to do. And now if we run this file, we get a value for that list. Want to check and make sure that there's nothing kind of crazy with this? Well, let's change a couple of numbers here. I'm going to say 164 and 243 in there. Now, if I run this, boom, that list gets bigger. Add a few elements, no problem. Notice it doesn't matter how many elements you get, how big those values are, it keeps on working. And that's a great thing about that for loop. It's not expecting a set size. It's going to work for no matter what size of list you have. If you like that sample, and you want to continue to get better at programming, please subscribe and follow for more examples.